How to undelete deleted photos on iPhone. Basically, if you want to undelete the deleted photos on iPhone, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is you have to simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to actually launch the Photos application here. If you happen to delete a certain photo accidentally which you might not have wanted or intended to delete, and you want to undelete, which means you want to restore the photo, it's very simple as long as you have within the 30 days of deleting that photo. Now you have to simply scroll down to the bottom until you see this utilities section right here. In the utilities section, you'll find the option that says recently deleted. So all you have to do is go to this recently deleted option, go ahead and then unlock with your Face ID or whatever else, and there you'll find the photos. So if there's a certain photo that you might not have wanted to delete right here, or a video, you can tap on the recover option or the permanent delete option. If you delete even from here, it is completely irreversible, but if you recover it, you can always get it back. Or you can also tap the select button, select multiple photos that you want to restore, and just like that you will be able to restore them. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.